Howdy everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking a time out from building my DIY expedition camper to attend the Adventure Van Expo. That was this last weekend at Palisades in Lake Tahoe area, and it was really wonderful to be out there and see some old friends and make some new friends as well, and see a lot of the vendors showing their amazing campers and their vans and their conversions and all the different products. And I'm going to showcase some of those right here, such as this really interesting round fuse box.
So basically you see the shape here?
Got it, yeah.
And then the dot lines
the
up.
wire lines up.
And then
Yeah. And this one's just the same, yeah. So it's all ground on the right side. And then you have different fuse styles, the midis, the megas, and the regular, even a few ATCs.
you can see it in this van more.
That's really neat. And here's one of those round fuse boxes installed, and also some really nice, interesting cabinetry design with some really cool cutouts and inlays, as well as a really cool kind of veneer that's on these cabinets, and a lot of other really cool cabinets and a lot of other designs out here. Hopefully this gives you some good ideas of what can be done and the different builders that are available. And this here is very similar to what I am building on my DIY expedition camper. So please continue to watch my channel for those updates.
And they're called RUX. RUX, I like it.
Yeah, like
It's
a
great.
rucksack.
Yeah, it's awesome. Right on. Cool.
And that there was Allison with Tourig, and also she was so kind to take a picture of Gary and Monika Wescott of the Turtle Expedition and I there at their tent, and that was great to be able to connect with them as well as some other friends. And also I'm really looking forward to sharing more about my DIY expedition camper that's under construction. There is a lot that's happened since my latest video, so please do subscribe and I'll continue to update you with more of the progress to come.